Hello everyone, DJ Gets here. Today I got a comment regarding DMX controlling after the video that I have submitted, going over how to DMX control. And the question was, how do you actually move the moving head yoke of a light? And I guess the person commenting wanted to just see how the movements interact with the controller. So what I decided to do was not just do moving head, but to show a variety of different range of lights. So real quick, I have a DJ Spot 250 that is a digital display moving head yoke that is connected then to a Scan 250 HP, which is using dip switches and is a scan light. And then I have a tri-phase LED that is more of a centerpiece moonshine light. So real quick, what I'm gonna do is, I got right here, this is my DJ Spot, my DJ Scan, and my tri-phase. We're going to turn on the DJ Spot. So you see right now it's booting up. And what it's going to say on the display is A1, which means it is starting with channel 1. Again, if you don't know what this means, go see my video. I should have a link in the description for you. The way this light works is because it is on channel 1 and starts on channel 1, it means that fixture 1 is its starting position. And for the first channel from 0 to 255, which you just see on this chart that I'm pulling up, the pan is controlled from 0 to 225. So as I move up, you'll see that the whole thing starts to move back and forth, left and right. Same story for tilt if I go to channel 2. And then let me see if I can get in a good spot. There we go. Channel 3 now, you see that on the chart it says from 0 to 224 is white, but then when I get to 25 to 49, it's red. So watch as I move this channel, you'll see the individual value come up. So again, if I go just above 25, there we go, it just switched. Now we got red. So as I keep moving up, you see the value increasing. It's going yellow, blue, green, etc. And then up here it has the effect where it just keeps scrolling. Yeah, so I'm not touching it right now. And we have the same story for, let's see if I can get it to a good color. Looks like the camera doesn't mind that. So if I go to channel 4 and move up, you'll see that the individual gobos are changing. And then this light has some specialty stuff where 5 will scroll through colors and gobos, and 6 makes it that it doesn't move as fast. So you'll see there it's barely moving, where if I drop this back down, now it's fast moving again. So that's that light. Now my scan, right now I have this controller has a cable, a DMX cable going out to the DJ Spot, and then from that one's output we have the scan hooked up, which is going to be this switch. So notice not all the lights actually have to be on. As long as they're connected, you can control each one, because now I'm gonna have these two booted up, but that one's still off, yet they're still able to communicate. So that one with the dip switches, I have dip switches 1 and 5 switch, which again from the chart that you'll see now, or if you go look at my old video, that means that it starts on channel 17. So again, fixture 1 goes through 1 through 8, unless you go to B, then it's 9 through 16. We go back to A, fixture 2, number 1 starts at 17. And on this light, I gotta turn some color on so you can see. There we go. And he's doing some spaz, let's see. There we go. So channel 1 on this light, which the way I have it set up is on 17, is left and right. So this is pan again. This is pretty similar. You're seeing a pattern too. Like this is pretty similar with intelligent lights. Usually channel 1 is left and right pan, and number 2 is tilt. But as they do number 2, it's actually going up and down. Channel 3 is colors. And channel 4, this one's interesting because what it does is as you go up, it'll spaz, and then it'll go to the next gobo and stay, and then it'll spaz and then it can stay. So you get different options there. Finally, I got my tri-phase, which if I flip that guy on, you'll see on his switch he's gonna say, I believe 85, which is fixture 6, and goes from 5 to 8. Yeah, it's perfect. 85 starts at 5 for fixture 6. So 6. Let me turn that off. Let's see here. Okay. So the first channel of this light, it's changing the color. Let me slow that down a bit for you. Okay. So that's changing the color as they go up and down for the first channel of this light. Once I go to the second one, it'll actually spin and go in the opposite direction. If I do the third channel, that's strobe, and it'll get faster and faster as I go up. And then 6 is intensity or dimness, so it's getting dimmer as I go down until it's off, and then back on. So that's just a quick introduction on how to DMX control each individual light. If you want to see how a full system gets integrated and how to run seasons and chases, please see my other video that I'll have a link in the description, and I should have a link pop up now. But thank you guys again for your comments. Keep them coming, because I love new content and trying to figure out new things and showing you guys how to run this. So keep those comments coming, and have a great day.